The streets of Mazatenango turned into a rushing river, and several motorcycles were swept away by the flood, with water levels reaching up to the waist of some people. It is unclear if there were any casualties or injuries resulting from the flooding. It is important to note that this is not the first time that Mazatenango has experienced flooding. In September 2020, landslides or flooding were reported in several departments in Guatemala, including Suchitepéquez, affecting around 25,000 people.